What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a 2023 Ford Expedition started if the key fob dies. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the Expedition as I normally would, it's not going to start, and I'm going to get a message on the dash saying no key detected. So what we need to do is take our key fob and place it in the backup transmitter slot. And where that's going to be located is in the front cup holder. Then what we need to do is reach in the bottom and pull the little rubber piece out of the bottom. And then once we get that out of there, you can see there's that slot in the bottom of the cup holder. So what I'm going to do is take my key fob and I'm going to place it in that slot. I'm going to put it in there upside down with the buttons facing the rear of the vehicle like this. So put the key fob in that backup slot like that. And then once that's in there, we should be able to start our Expedition as normal. So brake, stop start button. And once it starts, you can drive your vehicle as normal. And you'll just want to replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video on how to replace the battery in this key fob in case you're unfamiliar. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.